This is a college and the that's a Trinitarians. Johann Baptista de la Conception, founded in the convent of 1601. There you go. Church is turning into a library now. This is no longer a church. It's part of the monastery and the student library, biblioteca. At least they put to good use because nobody goes to the church. There are no monks anymore. There's no more future for the church, it seems, because there are no monastery education anymore. It's all about AI. Coding, Google, Avatar. This is the modern day monasteries. Wow. So there's another one. This used to be college convent of the St. Joseph's of the Congregational of the Clerics Regular Minor, or the Correzioni College. So it's all colleges and it's fantastic. Look, the quadrangulars, that's me. And the old mirror. Wow. There's another quadrangular of the little monastery college. So the monks would have come in and they've done their self-sufficient monastery, and now it's a university college, monastery education, right? And that's the education today, the graffiti, and that's the education on the church, because right next to the college you will always find graffiti. And along the way, all the way from the airport, all the way here, graffiti. Nothing spared, folks. Education has got us somehow twisted in maze, the cosmos. We're going to the cosmos now. It's a church. It's part of the church. Hola. It's part of the church. Oh. Look at this. The church has gone up to the heavens. We've got the cosmos art exhibition, the solar system, the sun. There you go. That's what we are up to now. We are going to the space and to the Mars, leaving behind everything we created. Yes. Let's see how far we go with this technological advancement. Antarctica. What was that? 92 I was in Antarctica. I think the Antarctic waste must be overwhelming because all the stuff that they take it down there for research get disposed on the site for definite. And here we are, folks, another church, a space exploration exhibition here. The church, one time a chapel, the doors, if that wasn't been converted into a space exhibition, the whole place will be desecrated like you find it in Italy, Portugal, Spain, Germany, Britain, elsewhere. Yes. Because we start exploring beyond We didn't explore the within. So, sadly, this is where we are. Everybody's on a... The monastery's turned into a car park there. Wow. Historic wall. It's been graffitied. At least UNESCO has spent some money painting it over. Right? Let's go have a look beyond the inner walls. Sadly, I don't know why we have lost this responsibility for our cities, our nations. We are very vocal when it comes to our identities, but we've forgotten how to respect our forefathers' works. Church. At least some restoration work has been going on. Look at graffiti. Wow, got so much neglected for it to be derelict to the ground, only to be razed to the ground, and then the houses came up. The bell tower. This is the history that we find. Former hospital of the Santa Maria la Rica. Beautiful. Got a church. The church has failed only because... Oh, I was at Guinness yesterday. Because of the pub, the Shamrock Irish Tavern. No, you don't blame the tavern. You don't blame the tavern. You blame the inner nonsense, the church that educated the small number of population, but today that number has disappeared, completely disappeared. So now the church is on the way out, it seems, from Europe. It went out from Middle Earth, replaced by the void. The void always gets replaced by something stronger. And that's probably what's going to happen soon. Because the young generation of the Catholic nations across the planet and the Buddhist nations are slowly fading away. They've got, even the Buddhists have lost the idea that their inner construction has collapsed for some reason. And wow, this is that's what you're going to find everywhere. It's another church. Magisterial Cathedral of the Child Saint of Justice and Pastor. Lucy Hermitage. Definitely close. Projects probably gone into restoring the interior. They must have gutted all the interior, leaving the facade. And yeah, it'll be very interesting to see what the future is going to hold for the world and for every nation across the world, because there's something that is lacking. House of the Lizanas. Yeah. Gosh. Imagine the old times, how this whole place would have looked like. Thanks for coming into the European Union, Spain. What happened to the richness of the land? Goodness. Palazzo Arzobispal of the Archbishop's Palace. Original residence of the Archbishop's Toledo in Alcalá. Dates back to the 13th century. Spanish historians stated it. First meeting between the Catholic monarchs and the Christopher Columbus. Its architecture offers a mixture of different styles, ranging from Gothic and Renaissance and Neo. Mucha, which is the Persian, no, the Arab. Oratory of the Saint Philip Neri. Archaeological museum. Yeah. All the churches, most are shut. It's not been used for colleges. Cistercian Monastery, St. Bernard. Guess it's closed also. Closed.